You know, I always ask this question that why so many people want to come to the UK? Why? Does the UK have something different or special that any other country has? Because I realize a lot of people from Africa, the Middle East, are risking their lives to come across to the UK by boats. But one of the things is I understand that some of them are fleeing from persecution and war and stuff like that. But can you guys tell me, people living in London or the UK, what is so sweet about your country that people would risk it? They would pass through the entire of Europe. They don't stop in France. They don't stop in Germany, but they want to come to the UK. Right? Some people will hear me speaking. Right? I am considered to be an immigrant because of the country I come from, but I am legal in this country. Right? And even if you were born here in the UK, people would still look at you as an immigrant, right? To me, it's not supposed to be like this, right? So let me know your thoughts in the comment section below as I walk through the London Tower Bridge. Right, so yes, I'm almost at 10,000 subscribers. I'll be happy if you guys subscribe to this channel and get me to 10k subscribers before the year ends. And right now we are in autumn, so the weather has changed a bit. So you can see most people wearing their winter jackets. I think right now it's about 15 degrees. It's windy also, and the sun is out. So this is UK weather. Yesterday while I was walking through London, it was raining, and today, look at the weather, right? Look at the weather today. It's sunny, but again windy and cold at the same time. A lot of people say the UK weather is shit. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Let me know also if you have been to the UK, or what do you like about the UK. Let me know in the comment section below. What do you like about being in the UK? You see some people, they walk, going for runs and walk. This is a route. This is a nice route for running and walking. Alright. This is a nice route for running and walking. So also let me know where you guys viewing this video from, and I want to try and stay consistent with uploading videos on this YouTube channel, because it's important that I stay consistent so my YouTube channel can stay alive. So with the help of you guys, like this video, share it out, subscribe to the channel, we'll really appreciate it. Yeah, so I'm gonna take you guys on the London Tower Bridge. That's the goal. So we're walking down here. See, people are enjoying the run on the early morning. Yeah, beautiful sunshine today, beautiful weather. Beautiful weather today in London. Thousands of people come here every single day to take out photos near the Tower Bridge. As you can see, it's crowded, very crowded. So the goal is to take you guys on the London Tower Bridge so you can see the view from there. As you can see, this is the Uber boat. All right, Uber boat. Isn't it lovely, right? We're gonna follow it for a few minutes. Nice. So let's carry on. So back out. Yeah, so I'm enjoying my time in the UK. I also enjoy walking through London for some reason. I like London. I don't live there, but I enjoy coming here. Some people would say that London is shit. Well, for their reasons, people, this is not the only city in the UK, right? Because most people believe London is the only city in the UK, but there are so many places outside of London that is very nice to chill, and just go for an outing. London is built differently, so that's why everyone that comes to the UK wants to come to London. Like, they must come to London. So I've been in London. I've been in London from in the UK from 2023. So I've been here many times. If you go on my YouTube channel, you'll see all the videos I posted during winter. So summer also is different. So I'm gonna take you guys up here so you guys can see the view on the other side. So people enjoy their morning runs and walks, especially on this bridge. Up the steps. Look at this view from here. Yes. So this is the view I want you guys to see. Yes. Look at this lovely view, guys. So